In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. If your menu feels a little cramped near the edges, or there's just too much empty space around your header and links, this quick adjustment will help you dial it in. The key is understanding that Squarespace controls the room around your navigation through a global setting called site margin. Changing it affects the overall frame of your site, which in turn affects how your navigation sits within that frame. First, head to your Squarespace dashboard and make sure you're viewing the site you want to edit. On the left side of the screen, click Website. This opens the main panel where you manage your pages and settings. It's the starting point for accessing all the visual controls we're about to use, and it ensures you're making adjustments to the right place. Next, look to the top right of your site preview for the small paintbrush icon. Click that icon to open the style controls. This panel is where Squarespace groups most of the appearance options, things like fonts, colors, and, in our case, spacing. As soon as it opens, you'll see categories that organize related settings, making it easier to find exactly what you need without digging through unrelated options. From here, choose Miscellaneous. It's a category that houses several global design settings that don't fit neatly into other sections, but still have a big impact on your layout. Inside Miscellaneous, select Spacing. This is where Squarespace keeps the site margin control that influences the spacing around your navigation by changing the overall page frame. Now adjust the site margin. As you increase the margin, you'll create more breathing room around the edges of your site, which typically pushes your navigation inward and gives it more space. Decreasing the margin brings content, including your header and menu, closer to the edges for a tighter look. Watch the live preview as you make small, intentional adjustments so you can see how it impacts your header on different pages. Aim for balance. Too much margin can make the header feel isolated, while too little can make it feel cramped or cause long menus to wrap. If your template supports responsive previews, take a quick glance at tablet and mobile views to ensure the change still looks clean across devices. And that's all. By clicking Website on the left, opening the paintbrush icon, choosing Miscellaneous, selecting Spacing, and fine-tuning the site margin, you've adjusted your navigation spacing in just a few moments. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more polished header.